Most men look for quick fixes to improve their erection, but few realize that real change can start with something as simple as a seed. Yes, 3 specific seeds, studied by medicine and nutrition, capable of improving blood circulation, boosting testosterone, and strengthening penile tissue completely naturally. And the best part, they work even for men over 60. As a urologist, I can tell you with absolute certainty, male potency doesn't disappear overnight. It weakens gradually due to poor oxygenation, internal inflammation, and micronutrient deficiencies that affect blood flow. And that's where these 3 seeds come in. They're not a myth or an internet remedy. They are natural sources of bioactive compounds that retrain your body from the inside out. The first seed is pumpkin seed. Many see it as just a snack, but its composition is a clinical gem. It contains zinc, magnesium, and essential fatty acids that stimulate testosterone production and improve prostate function. When zinc levels drop, the body stops producing testosterone efficiently, and erections lose strength and duration. The ideal intake is 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, preferably raw or lightly toasted, unsalted. You can add them to yogurt, smoothies, or mix them with natural honey before bed. That small habit enhances nighttime testosterone regeneration and improves sleep quality, which directly translates to more energy and better sexual performance. Here's a fact few people know. Studies have shown that zinc from pumpkin seeds can increase sperm density and motility by up to 40% in men with mild deficiency. In other words, they not only strengthen your erection, but also boost fertility. So tell me in the comments, do you already eat pumpkin seeds, or will this be your first time? Type yes or no. I want to see how many men in this community are already using them without realizing their real power. The second seed is sesame. You've probably seen it on bread or sushi, but few people know it's one of the richest foods in L-arginine, an amino acid essential for producing nitric oxide, the molecule that allows the penis to dilate blood vessels during an erection. More nitric oxide means more blood flow and oxygen in the erectile tissue, leading to a stronger, longer-lasting erection. But pay attention, it's not enough to eat it randomly. The most effective way is to grind 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and mix it with 1 teaspoon of pure honey before breakfast. Taken on an empty stomach for 10 consecutive days, this combination stimulates microcirculation and enhances penile sensitivity. No pills needed. And if you work out, there's more. L-arginine also improves overall endurance and reduces muscle fatigue. So this simple habit benefits not only your sex life, but your overall vitality. Here's what I suggest. After trying this mix for a few days, come back to this video and comment what changes you felt. We support each other here, and your experience might inspire other men to reclaim their natural strength. Now understand something fundamental. These seeds don't work by magic. They restore processes your body had forgotten. Every cell in your reproductive system needs oxygen, minerals, and steady blood flow to perform at its best. And that's exactly what these seeds bring back. They're small, yes, but their cumulative effect can transform your performance if you stay consistent. I'll reveal the third seed in the next part because it's the most powerful of all. It acts directly on the penile nerves and deep circulation. Just 1 spoonful can change the way your body responds to desire, and believe me, that's not an exaggeration. It's pure science. The third seed is, without a doubt, the most powerful of all. Fenugreek, also known as Trigonella phoenum graecum. This ancient plant has been used in both Ayurvedic and modern medicine to improve male sexual function. What's fascinating is that its active compounds, such as saponins and diosgenin, directly stimulate natural testosterone production and enhance the sensitivity of androgen receptors. This not only strengthens erections, but also boosts libido, energy, and overall well-being. But what modern science has discovered is even more impressive. A study published in the Phytotherapy Research Journal found that men who took fenugreek extract for 6 weeks increased their free testosterone levels by more than 40% with no side effects. And not just that, they also reported significant improvement in erection firmness and orgasm quality. Now, many ask me how to take it correctly. The safest and most effective way is as a natural powder or soaked whole seeds. If you choose the powder, take 1 teaspoon, around 3 grams, mixed in a glass of warm water or a morning smoothie. If you prefer the seeds, soak them overnight and drink that water on an empty stomach. This simple routine improves circulation and reduces insulin resistance, enhancing sexual response, especially in men who are overweight or pre-diabetic. And here's something almost no one mentions. Fenugreek also contains compounds that reduce prostate inflammation, helping to relieve pressure on the urethra. This improves urine flow and reduces pelvic fatigue, one of the silent factors behind erectile dysfunction. That's why it's not just a performance booster, but a protector of men's health. But be cautious. If you're taking blood thinners or glucose medication, talk to your doctor before consuming it regularly. Its natural vasodilating effect can enhance results but may slightly affect blood pressure when combined with medication. Now let me suggest something practical. Make your own natural blend. Take 1 tablespoon of ground pumpkin seeds, half a teaspoon of sesame, and half a teaspoon of fenugreek. Mix them with a teaspoon of pure honey and a pinch of cinnamon. Take it half an hour before breakfast, 3 times a week. This small ritual activates testosterone, improves circulation, and keeps your energy levels stable throughout the day. Do it for 7 days and come back to this video to tell us in the comments how you felt. More energy? More firmness? Better mood? Comment with a fire emoji if you decide to try it, so we'll know how many men are ready to reclaim their natural power. And here's a key reflection. Masculinity isn't measured by effort, but by how well you care for your body. These 3 seeds, pumpkin, sesame, and fenugreek, work together as a natural system of male rejuvenation. If you take them consistently, you'll notice real changes. Better blood flow, more energy, and above all, a sense of control and vitality no pill can give you. And before finishing, think about this. Which of the 3 seeds did you find most interesting or powerful? Write it below in the comments. And if you'd like me to make a video showing how to combine them with specific fruits or drinks to boost erection even more, type mix. Because what's coming next isn't theory, it's real practice with visible results in less than a week. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video. Because when sexual health is understood through science and respect, you don't just improve your erection, you transform your whole life.